Hello and welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea. Today is another open challenge. I'll talk to you about that a little later, but now let's go ahead and start with our first DIY. I have these two rings from Dollar Tree. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to give it one coat with white chalk paint. So I'm going to go ahead and put these to the side, and now I'm coming in with this nutmeg brown acrylic paint, and with a wipey I'm going to go ahead and give it one coat to the entire little plaque. And this plaque, I got it from Temu. I think they come like 8 in a package. Not sure how much they were, but yes, I got them at Temu. Today's collaboration, or I should say challenge, is hosted by Amanda, 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, also Charlene, Crafty Art Shack, and Z9 Designs with Cindy. And the title is Recreation Inspiration. And I was inspired by this beautiful pumpkin, and her channel's name is Decora Conmigo. She has a Spanish channel and she is an amazing crafter. And I'm just going to go ahead and continue to assemble all of these pieces together. My dear friends, I'm going to make a shoe bow right here with some of this jute cord. I'm going to go ahead and cut the longer strings just to make it look even. And with some Mohawk glue, I am going to glue it right up here. And this is it for this first DIY. I hope you have enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments section your thoughts. And here it is, all put together now for the final reveal. Moving on to our next DIY. I got inspired by crafting it with Nicole. This is so beautiful, and I happen to have this calendar from September 2021. So I said I can make this. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and cut it to the size just to make sure that the board that I am using, it will fit. And as you can tell, I'm going to be recycling this little board here, and the calendar is a lot shorter. So on the corners, I'm going to go ahead and paint it with white chalk paint, only just a strip, not the whole board. And I'm using some of this glue stick, and you can find this at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and cover the entire board, and then I will place that beautiful picture right on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this nutmeg brown and distress both of these scrap wood. I got these from Home Depot. So I just cut them to size, and here it is. I love going to Home Depot and getting some free wood, because right now when you go to Dollar Store, you gotta pay $1.25 for a piece this long. So I got lucky. Once they are all completely dry, then we'll go ahead and proceed to glue them right on top of the plaque that we just, or yeah, the picture frame. Oh boy, I couldn't think of the word quick enough. Sorry about that. But yeah, this was really easy. And I was so lucky that I had that calendar. It's like, how often does that happen, right? And that I was able to find it. Because with our craft rooms, there's times when you're looking for something and you just cannot find it. And then when you're not looking for it, there it is, right in front of your face. How many times does that happen to you? Does it happen often, just like me? Leave it in the comment section. I would love to know. I hope I'm not the only one that goes through this issue. And here it is. They all dry now with some hot glue. I'm just gonna go ahead, put one on top and one on the bottom. So I took some of this raffia and I decided to make a beautiful bow and put it right on top of the beautiful frame. And look at Diva. She's just sitting there watching what I do. You probably won't believe what I tell you about Diva, but this little girl, she follows me wherever I go. And you just call her and she just walks with you like a dog. I've never seen a cat like her. I've had cats all my life, and she is just like, she is so loyal. I absolutely adore this little girl. How many of you have pets that behave like this? Let me know in the comments section. So now we are all done with this pretty bow. Now let's go ahead and glue it right up here with plenty of hot glue. And then all we have to do is just put a little bit of jute twine back here. I had little pieces of this popsicle stick just for stability. With more hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right here and then cut the excess jute cord off. And this is it for this beautiful DIY. Please let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you do, give me a big thumbs up. For our third project and final project, I have this house from Dollar Tree. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the embellishments out, and then I'm going to go ahead and proceed with white chalk paint. I'm going to give it a light coat to the entire house. And I got inspired by Bonnie Blings. It's not going to be the exact same colors, but similar. I just added my own little twist. So I thought it was too bright, so I'm coming in with this little khaki color, and I went back and forth with white and khaki color until my eyes were happy. And this is the colorful paper that I'm using. I'm using bricks. I measured it, cut it to size, and then with the same glue stick, I'm gonna go ahead and glue this on top of the beautiful house right in the middle section. And of course, you know, we have to cut that excess paper away, and I am using my finger knife. And then once that is done, I have this beautiful home sign or word from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it one coat with white chalk paint. And then after I was done with the white chalk paint, guess what? Yep, I didn't like the way it looked, so I came back with that same khaki color and gave it a coat. You'll see. Okay, and here we are giving it that second coat. I did say it was the khaki earlier, but it is mocha. And I'm gonna give it one coat to the entire home word. And then, of course, with some hot glue, I'm gonna glue it right on top of this beautiful little house. This is nice and simple. This is beautiful. I am liking it. And it was nice and easy to make. I think this is a project that you can probably do with your kids. And I wanna thank you if you are coming by for the first time. If you are liking this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget that notification button. Like that, every time I upload a video, you will be notified. And to my subscribers, I love you dearly. And now for the final reveal.